Okay, working on a 2006 CLK500 with a transmission mount. This is gonna, I mean, like almost every single Mercedes that is rear driven will be the same concept. So jack up the car. There's a jack point in front over there underneath the car, so you can jack it up over there. Jack stands on both sides. Take a piece of wood, put it right at the edge of the end of the transmission pan, so you're not putting pressure in the center of the pan, is at the edges. And then you just want to jack it up just ever slightly. Just as soon as you touch it, just move up a little bit. You have 5/8 here. You gotta loosen that 5/8 up. That 5/8 up. This one has a negative ground to it. Make sure that's clean when you put it back on. And then it's got a couple right here. Move the jack up a little bit, and you see that pressure just kind of takes off. It just goes up just ever slight. Bring it back down. Is right, there's really no pressure on them. Okay, so now the jack is just at the right place because you remove this thing, so the jack is just up. Take the last of the bolts off by hand, and then here's the mount. Okay, I'm gonna go get the new one. And this is our part number. Play with it. You can't put this in backwards. If you try going backwards, those holes don't line up. So obviously it goes in with the holes in the bottom down, 3 holes out. The old mount was probably lower than this one is going to be, so we're going to have to jack this transmission up a bit. Okay, and you want it right where holes are lined up. Take the upper bolt, put it on the right passenger side. Let me make sure we put this through our ground. Make sure that ground is clean. If yours is rusty or there's any goop or anything on it, make sure that gets all remedied. So I just leave those loose. Now everything's on. I've given things enough space to kind of move a little bit. Let's go ahead and I won't tie them all the way, but I'll sit the top ones down first. Just till they sit to where they're at. And then when I let go, bring the jack down. Okay, now that's how we're supposed to sit. bottom bolts. We're going to tighten the top bolts. And you're done. Not all the times they do this with the motor mounts at the same time, but every once in a while this has cracks in it and it's easier to see than the other one. But there it be. Good luck.